Hi everybody, welcome back to another week of distance learning. Today's lesson is for Monday, April 27th and Tuesday, April 28th. So we're still in the Cold War unit. Today you're going to be learning about proxy wars and what that means and what that has to do with the Cold War. So today there are two BrainPop videos for you to watch pretty quickly, and then there is a case study for you to go through and turn in. The BrainPop videos are both linked on Google Classroom, like what you see here. We've got the Korean War BrainPop video that if you will press play on and learn a little bit more about that proxy war. And then the second BrainPop video you're going to be clicking on is about the Vietnam War, okay? Both of those are proxy wars, and you will see through the lesson today what that means. Essentially, you're talking about pretty big superpowers that get involved in these proxy wars, but they're not necessarily always physically fighting, or it's not always their war. They're just supporting certain sides of another war that we're not directly involved in. Sometimes we will become directly involved, sometimes we won't. And you will see that both with Vietnam and Korea. After you watch the BrainPop videos, you are going to go ahead and click over to the what is a proxy war slides and the case study PowerPoint. As you go through this, it's going to explain to you what a proxy war is, and there's going to be some information about the Korean War, the Cuban Missile Crisis, and Vietnam. Okay, you're going to click through and read the little paragraphs that are there. Those paragraphs are going to help you answer the questions on the Google document that's also attached in Google Classroom that is labeled "What is a proxy war?" and "Proxy War Case Study." Here you're going to answer all the questions. You will find all of the answers to the questions in the Google slides that I just showed you, from the proxy war definition through all the information about the Korean War, the Cuban Missile Crisis, and the Vietnam War. As always, when you're answering these questions, if you'll either answer them in bold or put them in another readable color, that would be fantastic. Once you're finished with the worksheet, you're going to click Turn In, and that's all you're doing for today. Okay, if you have any questions for me, please feel free to email as always. Remember, I also have my Google Meet code and my office hours in the afternoon, but if it suits you better to email me at any time, I'll be behind my computer. Thanks, guys.